Want to build job-ready CFD skills to work as an aerospace engineer and build an amazing portfolio by learning industry standards? If you are looking for something like this project is for you. In this project, you will be working on the external fluid flow analysis of the DLR-F6 geometry to accurately capture flow transition from laminar to turbulent flow when the flow is transonic in nature. One of the most complex cases to set up and simulate. Here's what you will learn: how to work with complex shapes and prepare geometry for CFD analysis, mesh preparation and mesh metrics based on industry standards, complete model setup including physics, boundary conditions, and solver settings, post-processing to extract crucial results from the simulation and validate them against experimental data. If this sounds like something you have been looking for, the project link is in the description.